Do you ever want to find something else to do with your overripe bananas other than make banana bread? These magic banana cookies are the perfect thing. They're cute little cookies, magically held together with just 3 ingredients. They're a unique snack that's almost too easy to eat. So come on, grab those overripe bananas off your counter and I'll show you how to make them. What's up, universe? Welcome back to our kitchen, and in case you're new here, I'm Julie. I'm a chef, I'm a mom, and for this season of our show, our focus is easy and yummy snacks that we can actually execute and film while our son Lincoln naps. With all that said, I think it's time to make some magic banana cookies. What you're gonna need is ripe bananas, rolled oats, and chocolate chips. Honestly, when I first heard about the concept of magic banana cookies, I was completely skeptical. But have you guys ever had those pancakes that are made with just a few ingredients too? That's kind of the concept of this thing. So you're just gonna need 2 very ripe, large bananas. And right now I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, so it's nice and hot. You're gonna grab yourself a food processor. And for any of the tools that I use here, I have a recommended list in the description box, as well as the link to the printed recipe with all of the measurements and amounts. So go check that out. And then I have a cup of rolled oats. You know, there's different kinds of oats, so you want to get the rolled oats. Not instant, not steel cut. And then you simply have to blitz it up. So you want to keep going until it's one homogenized mixture, it's all together, but then you can still see the specks of the oats. Ooh, that smells delicious. Just ripe bananas. It already smells like banana bread in here. So the mixture looks like this, mushy bananas with chopped up oats. But this is your batter. This is the magical part. And then grab yourself a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet, but you can use whatever you want. This is your added extra sweetness. You guys, this is it right here. You're gonna grab yourself a rimmed baking sheet lined with parchment paper cut down to size. And then just grab yourself either one of those small cookie scoops if you have it, or even just a tablespoon measure. And we're just gonna divide this dough up into about 12 cookies, depending on the size of your bananas. Because when I tested this, my bananas were a little bit smaller. I barely had 12 cookies. It does help if they're uniform in size so that they bake evenly. I'm just gonna add more to each little mound if I have extra. And I don't know about you, but I always have ripe bananas around. But you know, after a while, it's like, how much banana bread can I make, right? Oh, this one's sad. It barely has any chocolate chips in it. They don't spread too much. You do want to give yourself a little room, but they actually puff up a little bit. And it's the oatmeal that does it. So it's almost like a porridge consistency inside. And believe it or not, you guys, we're done. So we're just gonna pop it into the oven, 350 degrees, for about 12 to 15 minutes. It might vary, so just check on it. Make sure the bottoms are nice and firm, a little bit golden. The tops won't get completely golden, maybe just a little bit of color. As long as they're puffed and a little bit firmer to the touch, they're pretty much done. Man, I just wanted to sit down with a cup of coffee and enjoy these magic banana cookies. Oh,
cheers.
Okay, coffee cheers. I feel like we cheers every episode. Okay, they don't look all that impressive, truth be told, because they're just little brown blobs. But they actually don't get too crispy on the bottom. So if you're ever worried about that, they're not gonna get super browned on the bottom. The texture of this cookie is really not a cookie. So don't be surprised by that. It's more soft baked oatmeal, muffin, kind of mixture thing. Spongy. I would say, but spongy in a really delightful way.
It's almost like a muffin top.
But a bit more chewy and textured because of the hearty oats. It's definitely just like cooked oatmeal inside,
Yeah.
but then it has a bite and a chew, and then the top has a nice little crust on all around it. So it's a very unique texture, but it's actually really good, right?
It's really good.
I'm telling you, it's really addicting. Look at him going for a second one already.
It's a little bit filling too, right? There's actually a substance to it.
I feel like this is a good breakfast item. I feel like either room temperature, like we're eating it right now, or warmed up, like you could even put it back in the toaster oven, like keep it in the fridge and then put it in a toaster oven when you need it. But I think it's a good snack for kids. It's super unique. You have to try it for yourself. Don't expect it to be a cookie. Don't expect it to be a muffin. It's its own thing. It's magic.
It is magic. Yeah, it's like the combination of all of them. It's kind of mixed together.
There's no eggs. There's no dairy, except for if you count the chocolate and the chocolate chips. There's no gluten because it's oatmeal. So for substitutions, I really wouldn't do anything to change it. I mean, I think it is what it is. It's 3 ingredients. It's magic. Check out my written recipe. We'll leave it in the link below, chefjulieyoon.com, and also any of the recommended equipment that we use in this video. There's really nothing much to say. It goes great with coffee or tea. Perfect little snack.
I already ate like my half of the tray.
Completely satisfying. I think that if you're truly hungry, it's like one of those like Snickers feelings. It truly satisfies your hunger. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please let us know by pushing like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for notifications so that you know every time we post a new video. Well, any last words?
You gotta have them. It's delicious.
It is. Wise words from Joe. Thanks so much for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. I'm getting full.
Stop eating.